Here is example 8 from page 423. We're now multiplying radical expressions. Okay. In your book, they will say simplify each expression. All right, so the first question is 3 radical 2 times 2 radical 6. Okay. You don't have to change these to become like radicands because we are not adding and subtracting. We are multiplying. So you can just multiply them together. So we will multiply the numbers first, okay? The coefficients first. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then we just multiply the radical with the radical. So it's 2 times 6, which is 12. Well, inside 12, there's a 4 and a 3, right? So it's almost like you're rearranging things. So 4, 3 gives you 12, but the 4, okay, can be simplified further as 2. Okay, the radical 3 cannot. So your answer is 12 radical 3. Okay, next question. Okay, this is example 8 in your book. This is example 8b. So here we're going to distribute. Okay, here is one term, and you're going to distribute to this term inside the parentheses and this term inside the parentheses. Okay, so the 3 times 2 gives you 6. The radical 5 times radical 5 gives you just simply 5. And then you're going to distribute this to this one. So it's plus 3 times 5 is 15. And then this is 5 times 3, but still inside the radical. Okay. So now you have 30 plus 15 radical 15. Now 15, this 15 cannot be, this radical 15 cannot be simplified further. So your answer is simply this. Okay, here's another example. Again, 9 times 11, 99. And then we're going to combine these. Okay, I'm actually going to break this down to 5. And then for this 15, that's actually made up of 5 and 3, right? So these two actually now can come out of the radical. So it's 99 times 5, radical 3. Okay, and this is going to give you 495 radical 3. Okay, 495 and radical 3. Okay, next question. This is 8D, okay, also under the example. Again, we're going to distribute. So I have 15 radical 6 minus 5. And then the radical 3 and the radical 3 is just going to give me 3. So now my answer is 15 radical 6 minus 15. Last question. This is from your homework. 9 times 4, 36. Inside the radical, I have 12. That's made up of 4 and 3. So this can become 36 times 2, radical 3. 72, radical 3 is my answer.